Hello and welcome back to the channel. I am going to do just a quick box opening on this industrial chiller. I have back here my Zenbot CNC. I have a full video on building that, but I did not go with a standard spindle. I went with a water-cooled spindle. There is also a video on the box opening of that just to show what's in it. Because when I'm building this, I don't want to have the video get too long with all the actual openings of the boxes. So here's what's inside. Okay, we got the manual for the CW-3000. Power cord. Hose clamps, and I'm guessing that is a power adapter piece. Okay, let's take this thing out of here. So here it is. Okay, so this is the chiller, CW-3000. Again, I'll show the operation of it once we get it installed on this Zenbot. But I just wanted to do kind of a quick box opening. It definitely looks like a really nice unit here. The water goes in, or well, solution goes in up on top. Looks like I have an alarm outlet here. That's what the little adapter that was over there, I'm guessing. Here's the drain fan. Up front, we can see the level of the fluid in there, and then our dash. So, like I said, I just wanted to do a quick opening, something small, but we'll go over the installation of it and all that if you watch my video on the Zenbot that I am building.